Negative copy. Next cluster. Cluster 2 for recall. Unit 22, Unit 18, Unit 49, and Unit 30. Please go ahead po.
Dami kong pagkain.
Second call for recall. Cluster 2, Unit 22, Unit 18, Unit 49, and Unit 30. Please go ahead po.
Oo yan.
Maganda pala pag tuwing anniversary ng iglesia, ganito.
Ah.
Ngayon lang ginawa ang ano to.
Okay, kasi
Fifth copy. Next cluster. Cluster 3 for recall. Unit 26,
Tsaka ano,
Unit
hindi
8,
ka...
Unit 32, and Unit 50.
Ano yung
Please go
pagkain?
ahead.
Ganito lang, di ba?
Second call for recall. Cluster 3, Unit 26, Unit 10, Unit 32, and Unit 50. Please go ahead. Cluster 4 for recall. Unit 20, Unit 14, Unit 31, and Unit 21. Please go ahead.
Recall.
Second call for recall. Cluster 4, Unit 20, Unit 14, Unit 31, and Unit 21. Please go ahead.
Delay yung live.
Next cluster. Cluster 5 for recall. Unit 40, Unit 45, Unit 46, and Unit 12. Please go ahead. Second call for recall. Cluster 5, Unit 40, Unit 45, Unit 46, and Unit 12. Please go ahead. Malinger Station, 12 Axel, thank you for joining. Sunrise, Malinger Station, 1239, thank you for joining and good evening. Malinger Station, 12 Mark, thank you for joining.
Ganito lang masahe ko muna.
Walk on the right. Picture Station 12-5. Thank you for joining. Likewise, happy anniversary po. Sa Unit 12.
Samahan lang kita.
Kapit sa next po. Next cluster, cluster 6 for recall. Unit 23, Unit 27, Unit 16, and Unit 24. Please go ahead.
Ayan.
Nauna, tatlo na ka.
Kaya?
Nauna.
No, hindi na kaya, no? Ako nga, hindi ko na kaya yun eh.
Call for recall. Cluster 6, Unit 23.
Kita na?
For please go ahead.
Pwede na siya. Bakit?
Negative copy. Next cluster, cluster 7 for recall. Unit 17, Unit 53, Unit 13, and Unit 1. Please go ahead. Can call for recall. Cluster 7, Unit 17, Unit 53, Unit 13, and Unit 1. Please go ahead.
Ang daming pulis kayo na. Galing